today's video, we are gonna do our giant back to school haul for you guys.
Back to school! Baby!
We have a second grader coming up, a kindergartner coming up, and a preschooler coming up.
Preschool!
We got most of the haul for these two, a couple things so no one feels left out.
Preschool!
But guess what? The most important part is that we were able to get all of the stuff we needed. Number one, online. We did not step foot into a store. Number two, we were able to stay on budget for everybody. And number three, the way we're able to do that is we did not pay full price for a single thing. So not only are we going to show you all the essentials that we got for back to school this year, but I'm also going to share some tips to help you guys save and stay on budget for your back to school this year.
Oh, so fast!
Okay, hold on. All right, Pearls, first things first, I have to tell you guys about our amazing sponsor for today's video, which is ShopTagger. I have worked with them before on videos and I have been using them for over a year. You guys know how much it drives me just insane paying full price for anything. Even if it's just like the tiniest discount, I cannot pay full price. Well, guess what? ShopTagger is the tool that I've been using for over a year now to help me never pay full price ever again, and it's so easy. What it is an app for either your desktop, your PC, or your mobile phone. On your desktop, download the browser button. All you have to do is, specifically with your desktop, is go in your Google Chrome browser, go to shoptagger.com. Of course, I'm gonna have all the links for anything I talk about in this video in the description box. Anytime you're on your favorite website, today we're talking back to school, but I've used it for home decorating items, I used it for car parts, we've used it for a lot of different things. You tell ShopTagger which items you want them to watch for you and tell you when it goes on sale. No checking in on all of your favorite products. ShopTagger is going to watch your wish list for you and then notify you either through push notifications or email when those items go on sale. You can create as many wish lists as you want. To get started, all you have to do is go to your favorite store, click on an item that you would like to have watched, make sure that you go to that single products page, then click the ShopTagger button to save it to your wish list. You'll see a window pop up where you can choose all of the different preferences that you like. So depending on the item, you can choose the size, you can choose the color, you can choose the design, things like that. ShopTagger is going to say those specific preferences that you set and add them to your organized wish list. And the biggest thing is you get to set what price point you want it to do. So most of the time I just put any price change, but you can set it to notify you when there's a 20% price change or a 50% price change. It's super customizable to make sure that you're getting these items that fit into your budget. So of course, when I was doing back to school shopping for today, there is no way I was gonna pay full price for any single item, especially because I'm buying so many things at one time. Several weeks ago, I had the kids sit down with me at the computer and it was actually such a fun experience because I got to do a one-on-one in the quietness of our own home. We did all our back to school shopping online. Heavenly. Seriously, it was awesome. We got all our back to school shopping done within an hour and there was no back and forth to the car. I created a separate wish list for each of the kids and then anything that the kids wanted. Is it your turn? Mm-hmm. Okay. I put on our wish list. Be sure to have a couple different options for things like backpacks, shirts, pants, shoes, all of those different things. Me and the kids put those into each of their wish lists. Then when ShopTagger would send me a notification that something went on sale, that is when I would put it into my shopping cart and check out. I mean, how awesome that all of our back to school supplies were shipped straight to our door. And if there's something that our kids really, really wanted and it hasn't gone on sale yet, you can leave all the items in your wish list and ShopTagger is gonna watch them for you until you remove them from your wish list. So if something hasn't gone on sale yet that you're really hoping to buy, you might wanna hold off till Labor Day because ShopTagger will be able to help you watch those Labor Day sales as well. Before I jump into any of this, there's a couple things I need to tell you about to help you guys make sure that you are not paying full price for anything for back to school related. Also, I have a free printable for you guys. This is my back to school essentials shopping list that I created this year to make sure that we were able to stay on budget. All right, so I have my back to school essentials shopping list. and I'm gonna start with just one kid at a time. Really, I only need to do Oliver and Kennedy because Mav's in preschool, but he still needs a couple things. It's his first time at preschool and it's gonna be so cute. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this list and first go shop around our house and see what we already have hanging around. Things that we can make work for this new school year. Because I use ShopTagger, they watch the sales for me all year long, and I'm able to use the cash I have saved up ahead of time and be able to buy bigger sizes that we're able to use later on. So let's go take a look in their closets and see what we already have in hand. Gotta make sure I'm not tripping on things because I'm walking backwards. Let's just walk forwards. Okay, here we go. All right, do you guys want to see what's in these boxes? We've been saving them up. I don't think we have quite everything yet, but don't forget that anything that we're talking about in today's video, I'm gonna have links to everything in the description box. So there's tons of links in there. Why don't you show us this first real quick? I just got this at the dollar spot actually. We just wanted little pencil pouches to go in each backpack to keep things a little bit organized. Nice, bud. So that's the one that Oliver picked out. It was $1. Oh! I think this is yours! Let's see, Kay, this is from Target. Oh, I think that's Oliver's shirt. Wow, it's your backpack.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see.
Kitty.
Ooh. Hold it up so I can see it next to your face with a big smile. Yeah. No, it's not huge. It's actually probably just right. Cute. I love it. Oh yeah, girl. The 3 stores we shopped at this year were Target, Old Navy, and Crazy 8. So that's kind of where most of our stuff came from. Actually, that's where all the stuff came from, online. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it's probably for Kennedy. Oh, those are your shorts. We got Kennedy just a couple pairs of biker shorts to go underneath a bunch of her dresses that she's getting. And some
glitter pink ones.
glitter pink ones. Those are cute. Oh, Amazon. I forgot that we did do a little bit of shopping on Amazon.
To keep your food nice and warm.
Yeah.
I got pink.
What color did you get, Oliver? What this is just a food jar thermos. I wanted one last year. I made sure to make it work into our budget this year. So what it is just an insulated thermos. What I plan to do is put things like quesadillas, chicken nuggets, soups, leftovers, things like that for the kids. That way they can have a hot meal at school rather than just packing sandwiches all year long. It says that it can keep things cold for 24 hours and hot things hot for 8 hours. You want to do that big giant box next? Wait a minute. Who's on there?
Oh. Jay, Lloyd, and Kai.
Nice. You got a lunchbox? So that's where you put your lunch and stuff in there.
There's a box.
Okay, what did you just pull out of there?
Some nice food.
They're so cute. Shoes, I always like to buy shoes that have high ankles because then the kids are less likely to get stuff in their shoes and have to put them on and off. Zippers are always a plus. Boots, I feel like for girls go with everything. She could wear them with dresses, with pants. They're so cute. How do you like them?
They are adorable.
I also buy a cut, like a size bigger probably, just so there's room to grow. Maverick, this is your first backpack. How do you like it? Maverick, can you turn around so I can see? Paw Patrol. Maverick,
Underwear.
look at what you got. Spider-Man undies. I haven't always done this, but I got new undies for the kids at the beginning of the school year. I feel like that's a good rule. An easy way to budget them in. All right, we had a box incident. Oliver, are you okay now? He got poked in the cheek with a box. Okay, Kennedy, why don't you open up stuff that's in this bag? She needed some new socks. We got her the 10-pack of the Cat and Jack ankle socks. Your socks are way too small, so these will be great to have, huh? Strategy with buying clothes for the kids is I try to buy more solids. That way things are really easy to mix and match. Oh, this is for Maverick. Oh, I love the Target basic tea. So it's just a basic green tea. I think that other one's for Oliver. Does it smell good? Hold on. Here, turn it around so I can see you. Cute. You guys are gonna look so cute matching. What's next?
My rainbow shirt.
Do you remember picking that one online?
Yeah.
It's so cute. One thing I should know also is that we're not really buying any long sleeve fall clothes. Those usually go on clearance around October, so I have ShopTagger watching a couple things for me, and as soon as those go on really good sale come October time probably, that is when we will use the rest of our budget to pay for those. Leggings.
For me.
Camo leggings. Those are gonna be cute because we all know camo matches everything in this family. Navy blue leggings, but let me see.
I remember.
You remember ordering these?
Yeah.
With the knee patches. These are so cute. Okay, show me.
I have one.
I got you 2 of them.
Why?
Because a basic black legging, because black and gold are totally basic for us, huh, Kennedy? So I got her 2 of them, so that way, when one starts to get worn through, we can just put on the other pair.
Ta-da!
Cute!
This stuff is so adorable.
You love them? Oh, good. How's your cheek doing, bud? Good. Do you need something?
Oh, that's nice.
So Kat and Jack came out with their own brand of bento boxes this
Thank you.
year.
This is yummy,
So
yummy.
we were excited to give them a try. They're way cheaper. They've got snaps to make sure that it doesn't spill. Kennedy, let's see what yours looks like. Yours says yum, yummy, yum. Let's see if it fits in there. Oh, that's why. His lunchbox, when I looked at the measurements, I didn't realize that this part down here where you put the thing in takes up, so it would have fit if that wasn't there. So these might not fit, so we might have to think of another solution for this.
No, this.
Stay tuned on Instagram for a solution on bento boxes and lunch boxes that fit together.
Oh.
We got some socks for the boys. The boys actually are different sizes in socks, but the socks say shoe sizes 3 to 10. So what I did is I just got a 10-pack of black ankle socks. Hold them up so I can see them, bud. Boys are just they'll be a little bit big on Mav, but that's okay. This way, when we wash the socks, any black socks can just get paired up really easily. Whoa. And I can just put them in one spot in the boys' closet. Thumbs up. Kennedy got some new undies. What did you choose, girly? Superhero. Superhero undies for Kennedy. Some more undies. This time for Oliver. Got some new undies. We got Ninjago and...
Those are Captain Underpants.
Show me. Another one too.
Oh, man.
Oliver. Oliver, here's your new shoes, bud. Oliver needed some new running shoes. How do you like those shoes, bud?
Really good.
Do they look like they're gonna be fast?
Yeah.
Surprise by Stride Right. Okay, then I got the boys. Oliver needed a new pair of sport shoes and then a new pair of just like tennis shoes. Mav needed a new pair of tennis shoes also. I decided that the shoes in their closet are probably more like for church dress up days. So I got them a pair of matching shoes. Kat and Jack brand. This is size 9 for Maverick. Size 11 for Oliver. Let's see what they look like, bud. Okay, Mav, let me see. What shoes did you get? Oh, those are so handsome. Those are like your tennis shoes.
Hey, Oliver, your matches with Mav. What the heck?
It's getting a little crazy in here. Oh, there's your lunchbox. Like a holographic pink, which, where's your backpack? We thought it went good with the mermaid backpack, even though it's a little bit different theme, but it matches really cute, huh? This is what I thought Oliver's was like. Okay, let's see. See, that fits perfect.
Yay!
Yes! It fits perfect,
And
huh?
this is just like my other one.
Yeah, and you can put an ice pack in here to keep it cold. Oh, I'm glad it fits.
I'm so glad I've been... Yep, it's perfect.
Works so good. And then the back of it is just kind of like a space scene. And there's a handle on the top. A motorcycle, a dirt bike shirt.
Better.
How do you like it? You think it's pretty cool? The Kat and Jack basic tees that I love and can get for about $4.
I love pockets.
It has a lot of pockets. Kennedy also likes to wear the high crew socks, so we got her a couple pairs. I think there's four pairs in here. Whose backpack is that?
I don't know. What is it? Oh, who is this? Lloyd! Oh, who is this? Kai. Well, Kai's in the middle because he's awesome. Right here, just like
Oh,
mine.
nice. So you can keep your stuff organized. One more thing in here, a pencil pouch. So that way your pencils aren't just like everywhere in your backpack. This one is from Crazy 8. Okay. Cute! We got her a lot of dresses this year.
Mine is a boy.
The reason we went with dresses is because they're so easy. You don't have to pick out a top and a bottom. Just a dress and some shorts to go underneath and you're set. Whoa!
Who wants to see some camo?
Those are really big. I think we might have to return these. Try them on and see, but they're supposed to be like skinny shorts, but they're huge. This is a t-shirt dress. Cute, I love it. Cute, you're gonna look adorable in those. Why doesn't everyone want to pick what you want to wear on the first day and we'll put on your first day of school outfit?
I love this.
First day of school outfit's coming at you. Kennedy, how do you like your first day of school outfit? So cute. Spin. Oh goodness, okay. You look adorable. Do you think you're gonna feel super cute on the first day of school? Yeah. I couldn't get the boys to try on their clothes. That'll have to be an Instagram exclusive. You know, you just gotta pick your battles sometimes when you're a mom. So there are a few more things that are still coming in the mail, but we just could not wait a second longer to open these boxes. I think there's a few more pairs of shorts coming for Oliver, a couple more dresses, and t-shirts for Kennedy. Not too bad for our first time shopping online. Only a couple things that we need to exchange. I think we're gonna try to find a new lunchbox for Oliver that will fit the bento box. And then those shorts from Crazy 8, we'll have to go into the store and exchange them. Overall, I'm pretty excited about how much stuff we were able to get, all because we were able to shop the sales by using ShopTagger. So there you guys have it. That is our back to school haul for 2018. So don't forget to check the links below to use ShopTagger for your back to school shopping to make sure that you're not paying full price for anything on your list. Also, don't forget about your free download. I have tons of useful resources for you guys to help your back to school shopping be a cinch this year. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!